Clients will all be given a unique username and password which they can use to access the Touchscreen Hearing Check Secure Administration Portal. Now this is a demo account, so you can see that there is not a lot of activity in it, only the tests that I've been conducting today. So before we get started, why don't we just show you a couple of real accounts and the potential that lies within the solution. So here is an example of 3 different clients, which shows the kind of levels that can be expected from the Touchscreen Hearing Check when it is implemented properly. Client A is a retail client, so they have a retail store, but only one store. They use it as a pre-screening tool within their clinics to generate foot traffic. What they've been able to achieve is 142 screenings in the last 30 days from their 2 units, and this has generated 26 qualified appointments. Client B, again, uses the solution for pre-screenings within the clinic and also at events such as pharmacy screening days and shopping centre screenings. They have 3 stores and 6 units, and in the last 30 days they've done 171 screenings and have generated 24 appointments. Finally, Client C has been using the solution in the last couple of days at a major trade show. They took 4 units there, generated 215 screenings in the last 2 days, and this has generated 87 qualified appointments. So you can see, when implemented properly, it has huge value for your business. Now let's get back to the demonstration. Okay, let's go through some of the functionality of the administration portal. The first thing you see when you come to the administration portal is a dashboard of the activity for the last 30 days across your entire organisation. It will mention the number of units that you have, the amount of qualified leads you've generated, how many people have requested consultations, and report-only requests for the last 30 days. You can also download a prospect list, which is the names of all of the users and all of their results for any given date period. When you hit download Excel document, an Excel file will be saved to your desktop computer with everyone's name, details, the results of their hearing checks, and any requests that they made. The kiosk utilization report here can also run a KPI, which is essentially very similar to the dashboard, but it is for a particular date range and can be used to compare the success of one unit versus another. So for example, you left an unmanned unit in a pharmacy, and another one you left at a seniors club, and another one you're using inside the clinic as a pre-screening tool. You can have a look at the different levels of activity from those so you can understand what kind of return on investment you're getting from each of the units. You can also update the locations of all of your clinics. Once you do that here using a CSV file, all of the devices in the field and all of the touchscreen hearing kiosks in the field will be automatically updated. So your current sites will always be listed, which is fantastic for customers that have a number of sites or hundreds of sites potentially that change regularly. Up the top, we can also customize and view the free hearing report that is sent to users. So let's click on that link now. We can view the report. So here you can see the format of the report that is going out to users. Now importantly, a lot of this content can be edited. So we provide a very easy way to do this. We go into report customization and then edit. Here we provide a very easy to use content management system. If you know how to use Microsoft Word, you'll have no problem whatsoever using this content management system. You can change the banners, so the colors and the branding and the contact phone numbers at the top, a lot of the images, the colors of headings, a lot of the content that is within that free hearing report, and also the call to action down the bottom. So you have complete control over your free hearing reports that are sent to users. Let's now have a look at the resend report functionality. Here we can search for the details and the free hearing report that was sent to any user of the touchscreen hearing check. What we do is we just search for a date range and all of the users within that given date range will come up below. You can find them by searching if there's a number of people that you're looking for. Select the user and you can forward that to any email address or print it as a print-friendly page. Now the reasons for doing this are the user might have entered their email address incorrectly, or the audiologist might want a copy of their free hearing report as well before they come into their consultation. By printing a user's free hearing report as a print-friendly page, you can print it out and mail it to users that have a significant hearing loss but did not provide an email address. Finally, let's have a look at update promos. Here we can update the idle screens or slideshow that appears to users before they enter the touchscreen hearing check. You might have a Christmas offer on, for example, or some kind of special offer that you want to promote up front. We can change that at any time. You can also update the branding of these. Additionally, there is an image that is shown to users at the end of their hearing check before we take them to the My Results page. This is generally used to encourage them to take the next step if they have a hearing loss. Obviously, that means making an appointment. We can update that at any time, or you can update that yourself through this system. On that end of test promo screen as well, there is some audio that you can run, which might be a special offer. So if we record some new audio for you that appears, we can update it here. Once you hit update now, you can remotely update all of the devices in the field without having to bring them in. Now remember, all of your data, and I do say your data, all we do is protect your data and you own all of your client information and records, is protected with your own encryption key, a 258-bit encryption key. We take security very, very seriously. So we do everything we possibly can to protect your information for your customers and for your organization. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us directly at Hearing Care Marketing or any of our global distributors around the world.